ng mga barangay at simbahan. Siya ay nagsilbing magandang halimbawa, inspirasyon sa aming pagiging aktibo sa pakilahok sa gawain ng mabubuting. Gives us this inspiration and standards. We are going to continue this legacy and say to him later, we succeed, Sec Jess, in what you have started. Lord, maraming salamat at
I would share with my radio listeners whenever he would win awards for the way his leadership. Minsan daw may nagpasaklolo sa kanya na isang grupo na taga-barangay. May tinawagan siya para tumulong at agad nagkaroon ng aksyon. Isang tawag lang ni Sec Jessie for his people to obey him and mobilize resources. Sana po ay piliin nating lagi na magpakatino, magpakatatag, at magpaka-Jessie. Maraming salamat po.
Windows to the Filipino people. But do we reply by only looking through these windows graciously open for us? Or do we reply further by...
Kasi marami din naman mga LGU na magagaling. Kaya lang, yung mga programa sa national, hindi nakakarating. Sabi niya, hindi, kaya mo yan. Sige, kunin mo. Yan ang reason why I was there. And when I'm in ULAB, sa aking trabaho, slave driver pala si Secretary Jess. Ang dami-dami niyang programa. And one of that is UBAS. Pinagbili niya yung UBAS.
In one conversation with him, I remember asking him, bakit ba every weekend na lang nasa Naga ka? Ang sabi niya sa akin, alam mo naman ako, Harvey, hindi ako pang Manila. Probinsyano ako at hindi ko kayang tumagal na mamuhay sa Maynila. I guess Naga was always his home. And it helps ground him as a person and as a great leader. Through all of this and in his death, we are reminded that we are not in this world to become the richest person, but to become a person who dedicates his life for the service.
Ika'y pag-uusapan at pagtatawanan, ngunit mangungulila sa iyong paglisan. Buhay nga naman kay lalim ng kahulugan, di mo alam kung ano, ngunit ika'y maaalala sa mga kwento mong madrama at hindi malilimutan ang iyong mga kalokohan.
Bilang pagpugay sa kadakilaan ni Secretary Robredo, narito po isang sa pang-awit.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo.